the Kanyesi Wedobia. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị nwa ji aka anyị dobe ọdịnala anyị ka isi wedobia. Ndị Yoruba dobe ọdịnala fa. Ndị Hausa dobe nke fa. Kedu ife mezi ndị Igbo? Ndị Igbo, ụnọ ya azakwa m ajụjụ a. Kedu ife mezi anyị? Nwanyị ọchị bụ na ọdịnala anyị na anyị rapụsị ya wee mebe omume n'elu. Anyị nwa kachasị eje Catholic Church. Ndị Igbo kachasị eje Siemens Church. Anyị nwa kachasị eje Deeper Life, Christ Embassy. Amamihe a na-akpọ nke nwa Winners. Ebe a na-agba ọtọ ọdịnala anyị anacha. Does it mean no we find me? I need the cleansing. Because as it is, we need that cleansing. I want to face you now. Because you people have failed, including myself, because we are women. A woman is the pillar of the house. A woman is a helper to a man. Men do make mistakes, but the woman will correct him. Because they normally say women are weaker vessels. It's not true. Women are powerful. Women are very powerful. Oh, when more chukutinyala na wine, I do a deity, just like my brother said. Every woman is a deity. A deity. When you want something from your husband, so why is it that you people failed in your duties? Maybe I was not born then, but I heard history. Dibia ni na Nigeria, Sinibobia, Ndoke Dibia. I'm a woman, I'm talking to you too. I'm talking to myself. I need rap if I got alone also. One name maybe they swing. Or you walk in maybe they swing. So I need to come from that black melody. So I need. I was born and bred in Yoruba land, in Mafia. Have a secret, in the way we're a secret. The way we're a secret. We need cleansing in our land. And it will start from you women. I found no work put on social media now about on. Na Libya just oje banker, oje ko balo ma do jana me. So no go mo wan. Na ko yeri. You say you have power. This is the time to show your power. I have my own power, I'm using it. Why not use yours? Aka jiko aka. And you do your bodai. Because our ancestors are angry with us. They are very angry. Mama ifele na emebu mwa. No one them gafo fashion afa bonibia nkiri chef and say, "Owo na ezigbo dibia mare. Will you be poor? Will you be wearing rag? Ibata na war room fano. Onish. You see me budibia. Room in a narrow. He don't believe he jalo libia. How does it work? Another topic. There is no gender equality. I'm worried about the Nanibu. What careful first? A woman is second. A woman is a helper to a man. No, a pattern change. Do you put your Christian, my friend, go and sit down? How much do you have? Trouser, nika, abacha toto. My name is Nena Alodibia. Because Rapolundi Alodibia Faka follower. As I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself. Because no one help us to clean Igbo land and stop denying what you have. Stop denying what you have. Onya Bakeleke, Onya Nambrama like here. Onyi Moputa, Nka Nambrama like here. Also, one Kakanya, one Kakadiana, Oweri. Ke Onye Why no Kankadibia. A man is the crown of a woman, just like I'm putting on this cap. Money non amazes. Let me pronounce it. Permit me to say that. Na phobia. Go did it be now? Answer me. Isn't it been an answer that capata? A man no non-stop. Isn't it a Libya? Oh, true. It's about to true. Another thing. Oh, where Libya. Just like you have in the hospital. Oh, where Libya can abo. Oh, where Libya anya. Kezi kofonya se lokotari femini. Yewa ko Libya meri. Yewa ko Libya afọ. Yewa ko Libya onya. Yewa ko Libya na abo. Isi waba mmado soyi. We have missed it. Imani Budibia na lonke. Me mara wolonyonya. Oh, when they were telling me, let us my percentage. And say you lie. I don't do that. Imani your percentage, go and do it. I don't take bribe. That is how Libya works. You can't eat everything. If you don't know, let me pronounce it. I was hiding it before. We need to do cleansing. Help us. The women has failed in their duties. Help us to do this job. Because I am the only one that can carry offer. I am the only one that can carry offer because of my title. You see, people need a good offer for what? Why are they poor for? No, okay, they poor for. Only if one in their wall. And if you offer, yes, in Igbo offer, without your husband, offer one hour wall. Without the prayers of your husband, don't wait for an hour. Let me just tell you the truth. If any Nadibi it's like a school that has no graduation. Ada graduating here. Because anywhere I go, I keep saying one thing. They are higher than us. Like I am a woman. I cannot tell you now that I'm a king because I have a king. I stay in my place. Why he stays in his place? I'm a helper. Are you getting me? Okua is not meant for everybody in my place. Already by a big back will lose this red cap. Ejidobi. I get because this is not a paper bag. Not putting your beauty in a paper bag. I wear dying her, I got die. But even everywhere is red cap. Moja chilechichu. Momo in them were anything. The blue red. Was it like this before? No. How did you come? Was it like this before? If I didn't an Igbo before, an Igbo is more secured. Only one year. And a man of a bank 1 year.